Hello guys, welcome to Football Cards and Stickers USA, and today I have some packs openings of the FIFA World Cup Brazil 2014 Adrenalyn XL. Like I told you in my last video, which was a mail day, I have some few packs. I'm not going to open all of them in this video because I'm probably going to do some for a giveaway. So yes, let me just open probably 5. I'm going to open 5 today. So yes. As you can see, we have the Andres Iniesta, we have Drogba, another Iniesta, Falcao, Iniesta. Let's open one of Iniesta. Before I open, let me show you the odds. I'm hoping I could get another double trouble since that is the best one in the collection. We have Balotelli, Greece player, Zuniga, Mertesacker, Bravo, and Cruz. Let's open another one for Iniesta, one of those Iniesta packs. We have a one to watch, Rossi. We have Kagawa. We have Robbie Cruz for Australia. And we have one good card. We have a game changer, John Obi Mikel. So, yes, nice card. This was actually a need. Put that right aside. We have Welbeck and Aware. Let's open the Drogba pack. We have a utility player, Schweinsteiger, Russian player, Mana, Switzerland player, Iwain, and Cameroon player. Let's open a Falcao pack. Trying to fix the cards. We have an expert, Barnetta, Marcelo, Bleticosa, Mandzukic, Pepe, and Uchida. Last pack. Hopefully I'm able to pull a nice card. We have a utility player, a Samoa, Baines, Snyder, Begovic, and Mile Jelinek. So it was overall was not a great opening, but this one this makes the whole day. So a game changer. Nice card. Also guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button down below, and see you next time.